What's up, y'all? It's Nasia from All Things Nasia, and I'm back with another video.
Like him too, he my man, he my boo, he my type, he's so cute. I want him and I want him too. I like.
So what's up, guys? What's up, supporters? How y'all doing? If you guys notice, it's a little different in this video. So, I felt like the whole studio background thing was a little, stuck up-ish. So I didn't want my channel to ever seem like it's, I want to give professional. I want to give off professional. But, like, sometimes you need to get cozy, Come sit down. Get comfortable. So I'm coming to you live, up close and personal from my living room.
Boy, if you don't...
So, yes, this is a lot different. So I'm just going to tell you guys right now, if y'all hear babies, if y'all hear kids, if y'all hear thumping, jumping, crying, any of that, I have kids, okay? And 4 out of 5 of them are here right now. So they are upstairs above me. So if you hear anything, that is what you're hearing. But I'm not here to blab. I'm here to just basically talk about some of the things I want to see, in my channel for this year, places I want to see my channel go. And I'm also going to be announcing a giveaway at the end of this video, the giveaway you guys have been all waiting for. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I guess the first thing that I really just wanted to talk about was, me incorporating things other than the Cricut into my channel. When I originally started YouTube, I basically sat back and I was like, what do you want people to see? Like, what do you want to give off? Because that's what YouTube is. You're only going to see what I'm able to give off. So I'm like, I don't want to be in a box. That's how I started my YouTube. I don't want to be stuck in a box as far as what I put out and what I'm able to record, when I'm able to record it. I want to be able to record whenever I want to record, because this is my channel. So that's why I came up with So that's why I came up with my channel name, All Things Nasia, because I'm Nasia and I want to show you guys all things that comes to me. But because YouTube is like, an algorithm, Cricut videos do seem to do a lot better than any other type of video on my channel. But I do want to let my supporters know that, yes, I will continue to do the Cricut videos 100%. I have a few coming out this week because I just wanted to get kind of like a marathon kind of thing going. So I do have a lot of them coming for you guys, but I also want to let you guys know that I do want to take my channel into beauty. I do want to take my channel into motherhood more. You guys saw me, put my twins out there, but they're not my only kids. I do have 3 other kids. And I want to show you guys, what our daily life is. Lately, I have just been at home with my twins. I did resign from my employment just simply because COVID is getting really serious out there, and that's all I'm going to say about it. But all I can basically say is that my kids need me now more than they have ever needed me. So this is the time to be there. So that's all I'm going to say about that. But I'm just saying that to say that you guys can expect a lot more videos now that I am at home 100% of the time. I am definitely trying to find out what works for me as far as when I go back into employment, if this is, going to be continued as far as the pandemic. So that's all I will say when it comes to employment and videos. So I do definitely want, and then you guys have heard me say this before, I definitely want to incorporate a schedule when it comes to my videos so that you guys can know what to expect. I do hope that you guys continue to support me when I put my beauty and my, my lifestyle, motherhood videos out there, because I do want to definitely, incorporate my husband more into the channel. As if you guys didn't know, I did just get married. So I do want to definitely incorporate my husband more into the channel. He just, definitely works a lot, and then I'm home, so it doesn't really work out too many times, but I do want to try wherever I can try to get him in there. He is very involved as far as being a father. He is an amazing father. He's an amazing husband. So I definitely want to, share him a little bit with you guys. I won't say that I'm gonna put everything out there because that's absolutely not gonna happen. There's just some things you don't need to share. So everything won't be shared, but I will share what I feel and what he feels is acceptable to share. I definitely want to be sharing, more, get ready with me, date nights. We said that we would commit to date nights more this year. So I definitely, now that we have 2 brand new babies, we definitely need to commit to date nights more. I definitely want to put out my home improvement videos. I did just redo my living room, so that's why I am 100% way more, privy to put my home up on YouTube. I won't be sharing my entire home just because, as I said, you don't need to share everything. There's a lot of things that you guys don't know about me that I would like to share. There's a lot of things that you guys don't know about me that I will not be sharing. But that's just the thing about YouTube. Whatever I put out there, I want you guys to, vibe with me. You guys are my sisters and brothers, my nieces and nephews, my uncles and aunties, my grandmas and grandpas. You feel me?
Okay.
So I really just want to, share those moments with you guys. And I hope that I can have the same following that I have been having. I definitely want to do more twin videos because I feel that there is a lack on YouTube of black mothers of twins who put their videos out there. Not that it's a race thing, you know what I mean, but I feel like some people like to watch videos of people who look like them as well as the videos of the people who don't, because that's all I watch right now, because there's really not a lot of twin mothers out there. So I definitely want to be that stand in on YouTube. Where else did I want to go with this? Just simple videos, what we do in a day, what we eat in a day. I love those videos. That's all I watch. Morning routines, night routines, all type of videos like that. I want to document my twins growing up, because I feel like when I had my son, for those of you who don't know, when me and my husband got married, I had already had a son from a previous relationship, and he had 2 daughters from previous relationships. So I've only given birth to 3 children, but they're all mine nonetheless. But like I was saying, when I had my son, I feel like it is a blur as far as when he was this small, and I feel like I don't have enough pictures or enough videos. So I'm always taking photos of the babies. They are all my pride and joy. I am in love with my kids, and I've realized that now more being at home than being away, because being away is just like, I gotta do this for work, I gotta go here, I gotta make sure I'm here, I gotta do this, that, and the third, and it's just like a lot. So that is what I wanted to say as far as taking my channel in the direction of motherhood. So aside from that, there's also another thing that I'm going to be implementing, and it is Small Business Spotlight. Now with Small Business Spotlight, that is just basically exactly what it is. I'm going to be showing you guys small businesses that have sent me items and products to review on my channel. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. Am I going to trash small businesses? No. If I think that the product is not good to review, I'm not going to review it. That's just that. I won't accept the product, or if they sent me the product already, I will send it back, because I'm not getting paid for this. This is free. This is completely just me. And when it comes to that, I don't need to put lies in my mouth or lies in you guys' heads thinking that this is a good product that you need to purchase, and I don't believe that it is. So that is another thing that I'll be doing, spotlights for small businesses. I'm very excited to work with some of these small business owners. As you guys probably know, I am a small business owner myself. I do make T-shirts. I don't exactly have a name for what I want yet, but I am going to be trying to get that together in 2021. But that has been enough rambling, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now we can get into the giveaway and the rules for the giveaway. So I'm just going to be showing you some of the stuff that I'm giving for the giveaway. Now for this giveaway, this will be different than the last giveaway, because so many people entered the last giveaway and it was so hard to choose. I put all of the numbers of comments into a generator, and then I counted to the one that it picked for me. So you guys already know who the winner for that one was, and a few of you are still entering to that giveaway. It is closed, so I'm so sorry if you didn't win. Congratulations to the girl who did win, but I will be showing you the stuff that I got right now. So for this giveaway, This is number 1, and this is Cricut Infusible Ink Heat Activated Markers. So you guys saw me use Cricut Infusible Ink transfer sheets. I won't be giving away any of these this time because they're just a little bit expensive, but I hope you guys are excited for the stuff that I am giving away. So I am going to be giving away a 5-pack. So this is 3 winners, so there's going to be 3 of each of these items that I'm going to be giving away, and I'll let you know how you can win that in a minute. So 3 freehand markers, Cricut Infusible Ink. I'm going to show you guys how, you can have your kids make their own types of, clothes in my next video, so stay tuned for that. So Cricut Infusible Ink freehand markers. You'll be getting a True Control Cricut knife, and if you guys know me, you know I use this in almost all of my Cricut videos. So this is basically a great X-Acto knife with a grip. They actually come with blades that can be changed out. These packs that I'm giving you don't come. They just come with the pen, but you can buy reusable blades. So then I have 3 of these basic tool sets, and I just thought that this one was cute because the ones that I have is always like colored, like either pink or blue, but I think they're really sleek. White and black look really professional. And I just want to say this: if you guys have not used Cricut scissors, go get you some Cricut scissors because they are really good for projects. They're very sharp and precise. So you'll each be getting 1 of these. Then, as I showed you guys in my last giveaway, I will be giving away a onesie for you to practice on, or if you have a baby in your life that you want to make something for, a onesie. Now this is an infusible ink onesie. That's why it's in this plastic, but infusible ink onesies, they can be used with either Cricut Infusible Ink or Sizer vinyl, because Sizer vinyl can be used on polyester, which is what the infusible ink shirts are made out of. Then I do have more of these Cricut T-shirts. So this is a women's T-shirt, and if you're a man, just let me know if you win. If I pick a man, I'll get you a man's T-shirt. But as far as the ones that I already have, I have 3 women's T-shirts so that you can either practice or B, make something for someone you love. So I'm going to be giving that away. Then I'm going to be giving 2 rolls of vinyl away. Now the vinyl will vary as far as color, size, what kind it is. I do have different types of vinyl that I just want to get out of my collection, because I do have a lot of new vinyl that I've been ordering and buying, and I do need a place for it. So you will each be getting 2 rolls of vinyl. These ones are just everyday iron-on vinyl. See, this one has 6 sheets of 12 by 12. This one has 1 sheet of 12 by 24. So you don't know what you might get. You might get some glitter, you might get some foil, but it will be iron-on vinyl. So you will get those 2 rolls of vinyl. And last but certainly not least, you will each be getting a T-shirt. Now the color also may vary because I do own a T-shirt business, therefore I do have a lot of T-shirts in my possession. But if you just want to practice or you want to make something for someone you love, I do have some of those. So that is everything you will be getting. You'll be getting 3 T-shirts, which will be 2 Cricut infusible ink T-shirts and 1 Gildan cotton T-shirt, a basic tool set, 2 rolls of vinyl, a Cricut control knife, and some freehand Cricut infusible ink markers. So that will be the prize for the 3 special winners. Now, in order to, I have not thought about what I want to make the rules for this giveaway is, but obviously I want you to like this video. I want you to be subscribed to my channel and my Instagram. My Instagram was shown in my intro video. So be subscribed to me, like the video, subscribe to me on Instagram. And I do check, honey. I do check to see if you follow me on Instagram also. So go follow me on Instagram, like this video, be subscribed to me, and then I want you to comment. What should I have you comment? I think I want you to comment your favorite craft to do. So like if you make cards, if you like to do home decor with your Cricut, it doesn't have to be Cricut related, don't get it twisted. You can be a painter, you know what I mean, you can be a sculptor. You just let me know what your favorite thing to do. If it's to make Cricut T-shirts, then awesome. If it's to make signs with the Cricut, then great. If you like to engrave stuff with your Cricut, awesome. If you don't even have a Cricut but you just like to do crafting, that's great too. So I want you guys to just let me know what your favorite craft to make is and what you do when you craft. So comment that down below, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on Instagram, and you will be in the running to win one of the 3 of these items. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for getting cozy with me. I feel like if you're not subscribed, you should probably subscribe, because it's awesome over here. It's very awesome over here, and I feel like that's gonna be one of my new slogans. It's awesome over here. So, you know, come over here. Let Nasia love you.
Okay.
Come over here and subscribe, and you will be in for a treat 100%. So thank you guys so much for entering 2021 with me. Thank you so much for 21,000 plus subscribers. I am so excited for where my channel is heading, and I am so excited and thankful for the support that you guys have been giving me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will be back with another video later this week. Thank you guys, and peace out.